Hi there, Anagha Koka here. Welcome to my food channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make raw tomato egg pulao recipe. This pulao is a combination of egg with raw tomatoes, green chilies, mint and few spices, giving it a wholesome and spicy flavor, quite different from the regular pulao or biryani. So do try it, and in case if you have liked it, do hit the like and subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. So let's watch how to make this raw tomato egg pulao. For making raw tomato egg pulao, add oil. Once the oil is warm, add cumin seeds, add green chilies, add raw tomatoes, add mint leaves, little bit of salt, add a spoon of coconut powder, blend this into a coarse paste, add oil to the same pan, add little turmeric, little garam masala and a pinch of red chili powder, add eggs to this, boil it. Keep this aside, add water, add tej patta, ilaichi, cinnamon or dalchini, cloves and shajira. Add a spoon of oil, add salt. Once the water starts boiling, add basmati rice. Here I have used 2 cups of basmati rice. Check the rice. So this is half cooked. Now I shall stop the flame and strain the excess water. Add oil, add a spoon of ghee, add sliced onion and ginger garlic paste, add some coriander, add the raw tomato paste, add little water, add little chili, little turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, add few raw onions, cashews and 1 egg. Add a little water, give it a mix. Add little salt. Now add the parboiled basmati rice. Add egg. Add some cashews. Add some mint and coriander leaves, fried onion. On a very low flame, approximately for 5 to 7 minutes, let this get cooked properly. So this is done now, and we should serve this. So here the raw tomato egg pulao is ready, and if you have liked it, do hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, do subscribe to my channel Anagha Recipes. Thank you.